Bonnie Rock is an abandoned town, but there are still a couple of buildings and some facilities available for travellers. The spelling of the name is a little confusing, as on maps it appears as Bonnie with an IE, but when you arrive there's a sign proclaiming it as Bonnie Rock with a Y. I can't find any explanation for this discrepancy though. The town site was gazetted in 1932, and the name's origin seems to lie with a nearby rock that was originally named by a sandalwood cutter who was working the area. Bonnie Rock Hall was built in 1935 and is still in use by community groups today. Originally, there were 2 stores and a boarding house, but by 1944 the town was all but abandoned. Near to the hall is a nice new toilet block that even includes a shower for the use of travellers. A gold coin donation is appreciated if you make use of these facilities. Motorhomers and caravanners are welcome to stay overnight, and there's a large parking area. A sign on a building near the hall indicates that there's also a Wi-Fi hotspot available, but we didn't try to use it when we were there, so we can't confirm whether it's working or not. Telstra phone signal is available there, and other facilities at the site include a playground for children. A large CBH grain receival bin is also located nearby. The only other information we've been able to find on the town is regarding a Russian adventurer named Fyodor Konyakov. On the 23rd of July 2016, he set a world record for the circumnavigation of the world in a balloon. The journey took just over 11 days, and he became only the 2nd person to successfully undertake the trip. His journey began in Northam and ended when he landed safely near Bonnie Rock. Places of interest near Bonnie Rock include Berrinbuding and Ilakbutting Rocks.